Hello there. It is another day.
Bearing a lack of the chemistry, I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, and we walking the line.
Okay, it is Friday. Is it Friday? Gotta always check the schedule. It is Friday, and it's like 3-something o'clock, and I haven't done anything on the house yet. This morning, I woke up late because I slept terribly last night, but church was good. Got a lot of stuff done yesterday during the day. I think I was just too tired. You know, sometimes you're too tired and you can't sleep. I don't know, it was just really weird. And I had like a energy kind of drink later at night so I could stay awake during church. Anyways, so we'll just jump into that. I hope you're doing well today. It's a great day to be alive. And yeah, let's jump into the rafters. See you later. We got time with the splash pad. Those two that I just cut with the template, which I ended up just measuring where this cut was being made on this side right here, putting this lined up with the bottom of the rafter and then tracing it and then cut it. So I did it on both sides and it worked out really well. So let's just get it, keep going. Alrighty there, it is almost 7 and I didn't get too much done. I didn't get too much done today, only worked for a few hours, but got all the rafters cut, burn mouth. Yeah, so I need to head off to church. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all tomorrow on Saturday. Alrighty, see you later.
Good morning there. How you doing today?
I actually didn't take a sip there. I tricked you. I tricked you. You got bamboozled. Alrighty, it's Saturday, 8 o'clock. The kids just left, and Mama just left to go have fun at the gym. And then I think they're going somewhere else for a little bit so I can get this roofing done. So still editing some pictures from the church conference last night. But yeah, thank you for watching. Today we're doing the roof rafters and some other stuff. So stay tuned and stay tuned for exciting announcements. Alrighty, we got an issue. The roof rafters are going to connect where the ceiling joists come down, you know? They connect on that endpoint where I connect them to the rafters to the ceiling joists and the rafters to the top plate and so on. If you can see here, there's like an inch difference, kind of blown up, an inch difference between the rafter and the ceiling joist. And this needs to be cut so that the plywood can sit better on top. When I cut the ceiling joist ends like that, I just guessed because I wasn't too sure how to calculate it. Now it's gonna be a pain to get up there back with the circle saw and make sure everything is cut off, which is annoying. I think another option I could have done was to cut the bird's mouth like a little bit less deep, Right now it's a third, which is 2 inches, which is perfectly fine for the bird's mouth, so the internet says. But if I would have done it like a little bit less, maybe I wouldn't have had to deal with that. If I would have done it 1 inch or 7.5, 3/4 of an inch, then maybe I wouldn't have dealt with that. But either way, I'm dealing with it and live and learn, you know. So let's get it. Gotta get a glove because my hands are getting raw from using the nail gun. Well, I think my circle saw is officially dead. The battery still works on other tools, but not this one. And it's been doing this on and off, but I think it's officially out. It's super annoying. Still trying to finish up cutting the joist, so now I'm gonna have to stop and go somewhere or do something else. Can't do much with no circle saw. So. Santa brush. I changed this blade multiple times, but I just found out that there's a little lock here. So you can twist this, and then press this so that this doesn't spin when you're trying to unlock it. Otherwise, you like gotta grab it on like this, which is a pain. So look how new it looks. So now we can get back to work after a long waited time. Shout out to Wifey for picking up my saw at Home Depot, and the kids, and Zeke pooping all over the car. Hoorah! Alrighty friends, it is 3-something. I'm still dealing with the ceiling joist and the rafters connecting, being at the same height. It's been a pain, and my circle saw, the new one, is even being a pain still. My batteries keep like dying super fast. I don't know if they're just like overheating because it's hot out or because I'm using them at like an angle. I'm not too sure, but it's not working very fast, and I'm kind of chopping up the joist. It's not super smooth cuts. It'll be fine, but it's just annoying. Like if I could have done this on the ground, I would have already been done a couple hours ago. So I probably will end up doing this. Oh, there we go. The lights are on now, but a second ago they were not. So it is what that is, and we'll figure it out. Hello, it is I, Papa Shisho. I'm done for the day. We got another church. We got a conference going on, so that's why I'm going to church every night. But we got some stuff done today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Really appreciate all you're doing, I guess. Let me know what you think about the roof situation here. Looking pretty good, huh? And make sure you subscribe if I didn't say that already. Alrighty. See y'all later. See you out there. Go watch this video.